Assalamu alaikum. I am Faiza and you are watching Take Tuitions. In today's class, we are going to learn about simple present tense. To learn this tense, first of all, we will see when we use these type of sentences. There are two main points. The first point is when we want to express our regular actions which we do on our daily basis or on monthly basis or on yearly basis. That is our regular action. Like the first example is I visit my parents every week. Okay. The second example is he doesn't like to eat apple. So these are two examples which we can say are the best example for regular actions. One more thing I want to say here at this point that we also tell this tense as a habitual tense because it is our habit. It is anyone's habit actually which we say in these type of sentences. The second point is when we want to share some facts which we cannot change, which are truth actually, which are true and we cannot change them. Like the sun rises in the east. This is a fact. We cannot change it. It happens on regular basis. So to share facts, to say something about the facts, we always use this simple present tense. And the second point is to express our regular actions, we always use simple present tense. Now let's do an exercise. In this exercise, we will take some examples first. These examples are of simple affirmative sentences. What are affirmative actually? Affirmative means simple sentence, not any kind of negative or interrogative or any other kind of sentence, just simple sentence. The first example we are taking here is my friend helps me. If you look at this example, here my friend is a singular noun if you notice, because this is a singular noun, so we are using s with the verb here. If you look at this sentence, we don't use any helping verb in this sentence because we are doing simple present tense. Sentence number 2 is I sleep late on Sunday. I and then sleep. Sleep is the first form of verb. Late on Sunday. Next sentence is he goes to beach every weekend. If you look at this sentence, here we are using goes. First we can say the basic word form go and we are adding es at the end of this verb because as we know that with he, she, it and singular person, s and es will go with the verb in the sentence in simple present tense. So the sentence should be he goes to beach every weekend. Sentence number 4 we have is they go to college daily. Here we can see that go, we are using go here because they is the plural noun. They is the plural noun. It is not a singular noun. So we don't use goes here. We use go here. The simple basic verb. They go to college daily. Sentence number 5 is kids like the medicines. Kids do not like the medicines. If you look at all these sentences, okay, this is a fact. We discuss any fact in these kind of sentences. So kids do not like the medicines. It is a fact. It cannot change. It is a fact. So we use it in simple present tense. You need some help. Okay. Number 7 is he wants to take admission in college. He wants to take admission in college. David plays game properly because David is a singular noun. So we are using plays with it. David plays game properly. You like to play chess. You like to play chess. If you look at this sentence, you is a singular pronoun. You is a singular pronoun, but with you and with I and you both are singular, but we don't use s and es in the verb with them. Yes, we don't put s and es in the verb with these two pronouns. You like to play chess. Next, she knows how to speak Spanish. She, with she, we use knows. She knows how to speak Spanish. This is an extra information we put at the end of the sentence. I move towards my home after walking. As I already told you that with I and you, these are both singular, but we don't usually use s and es with the verb with them. I move towards my home after walking. He wants to participate in extracurricular activities. He wants to participate in extracurricular activities. He is a singular pronoun, so we are using wants here. Next is the patient takes medicines on time. The patient, we can see, is a singular noun, so we are using s with the verb. The patient takes medicines on time. I take exercise regularly. I take exercise regularly. Take, we use take here because I is a singular pronoun, but with I and you we usually don't use s and es in the verb. I take exercise regularly. Now let's start to change them in negative form. To make it negative, as I told you that we put do not with plural pronouns and we use does not to singular pronouns. Number 1, my friend helps me. So when we change it into negative, we will make my friend does not help me. My friend does not help me because we use helps in the verb with my friend, so we put here does not, and when we use does not to make it negative as a helping verb, we eliminate this s with the verb and we will put that s in the helping verb. From the verb we will skip that and we will add that s or es in does not, so the sentence could be my friend does not help me. Our second sentence was I sleep late on Sunday. So how can we change it into negative? I do not sleep late on Sunday. Sentence number 3. He goes to beach every weekend. So he does not go to beach every weekend. Next, they go to college daily. They is a plural pronoun, so we use they do not go to college daily. 5. Kids. Kids are plural, so we use kids do not like the medicines. Number 6. You do not need some help. You do not need some help. As I told you, with you and I, we always use do not. You do not need some help. Next is, he does not want to take admission in college. He does not want to take admission in college. With he, we will use does not. David does not play game properly. David is a singular noun, so we are using does not with it. Next, you do not like to play chess. With you, we always use do not. You do not like to play chess. She does not know how to speak Spanish because with he, she and it and singular person, we always use does not. I do not move towards my home after walking. Next, He does not want to participate in extracurricular activities. With he, we are using does not. The patient does not take medicine on time. The patient is a singular, so we are using the patient does not take medicines on time. If there is a plural noun, the patients, if we use the plural pronoun here, the patients, then we will use take, the singular word there. The patients take medicines on time. Okay. Next is I do not take exercise regularly. As I told you, with I and you, we always use do not. I do not take exercise daily. Now, in the third step, we convert all these sentences into interrogative sentences. Interrogative mean question sentences. So, how can we make this question? Let's take a look. Sentence number 1 is my friend helps me. So, when we change it into interrogative, we use this does not as a helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. So how can we change it? We change this sentence into interrogative. My friend helps me. Does my friend help me? And we will put question mark at the end. My friend helps me. Does my friend help me? Sentence number 2. Do I sleep late on Saturday? Do I sleep late on Saturday? Does he go to beach every day? Does he go to beach every day? Because goes is there, so we are using does and we will skip s and es from the verb. Sentence number 4. Do they go to college daily? Do they go to college daily? Sentence number 5 is do kids like the medicines? Do kids like the medicines? Kids are plural, so we are using do in the beginning of the sentence. Sentence number 6 is do you need some help? Do you need some help? Sentence number 7. Does he want to take admission in college? Sentence number 8. David is a singular, so we use does in the beginning. Does David play game properly? Sentence number 9. You, with you, we do will go. Do you like to play chess? Do you like to play chess? Sentence number 10. Does she know how to speak Spanish? Because with she we use does. Sentence number 11. Do I move towards my home after walking? With I we will use do. Sentence number 12. Does he want to participate in extracurricular activities? Sentence number 13. Patient is a singular here, so we use does. Does the patient take medicines on time? Sentence number 14. Do I take exercise regularly? Because with I we use do. Do I take exercise regularly? Here we finish our lesson. In this lesson, you have learned all about simple present tense or present indefinite tense. If you have any questions regarding this tense or any other thing in English, please ask in the comment box. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos.